Today we are exploring the most luxurious 2 kilometers on earth, the stunning country of Monaco, the land of rich and the famous. Most people come here for the speed, the luxury and those unbelievable scenic views. But as a traveler, how can you spend a full day here? From walking the iconic Monaco racecourse to stepping inside the legendary Montecarlo casino and chasing some of the best views you'll ever see. We are going to discover it all in this video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The easiest way to reach here is by train from Italy or via France. So it's just outside the Monaco station and now it's time to explore the city. Just 5 minutes from the train station is the world's most iconic Formula 1 track, Circuit de Monaco. And the crazy part is, it's a normal road for the rest of the year. Senna, Schumacher, Hamilton, all the big names have raced right here.
Operare appunto una scelta a differenza dei primi 10 che devono andare in pista con la stessa tipologia usata nelle qualifiche di ieri. Ivan Capelli.
This track is known for its sharp hairpin turns, narrow road and the only tunnel in the F1 tracks. Even if you're not a fan of F1, it's exciting to walk on track for once. Just on this track, we also have the private car collection of H.S.H, Prince of Monaco. This collection was started by the Prince Rainier III because he simply ran out of garage space at the palace. If you love vintage cars or supercars, you'll enjoy this. There are about 100 beautiful cars here, from classic Rolls-Royce to Formula 1 race cars, and this particular model is specially made for the wedding of the prince. As we walk toward the Casino di Montecarlo, you notice this perfect roof gardens. Like this whole path feels like walking through a postcard. The Boulingrins Gardens on the way are perfect for the quick photo and offer a nice view of the racecourse and the Monaco port. But for the best spot, we'll reveal it later in the video, so make sure you stick around. Port Hercule is the heart of Monaco luxury lifestyle. It hosts some of the most luxury super yachts, which becomes a massive party during the Monaco Yacht Show. Something to check out if you are super rich and into yachts. And finally, we are at the casino square. In front, you'll see the supercars parked casually. A great spot if you are here to spot some supercars. This place is like stepping into a James Bond movie, and they literally shot here a bunch of movies like Casino Royale, Iron Man 2, Ocean 12 and many more. Inside the casino is the pure luxury with gold details, chandeliers, marble floors and glass ceilings, which feels like a movie set. Imagine yourself as a 007. To enter the casino, it costs around 17-18 euros. And remember to wear a smart casual dress. Shorts and flip-flops are not allowed. Also, if you're rich, one other activity to do in Monaco is shopping. You can literally buy here anything from Bugattis, Rolls-Royce and anything. There are malls like Metropole around with marble floors and crystal chandeliers and luxury boutiques. Even if you not shop here, it's just nice to roam around and do a little window shopping. But not everything is paid in Monaco. There are spots that are free and are definitely worth checking out, in which Japanese garden is a must. The Hina doll collection, koi ponds, and the little tea house make you forget you are in Europe for a moment. This place was built at the request of Princess Grace of Monaco, and it's beautiful with small waterfalls, bridges, and traditional Japanese architecture. And the next one is for all the summer lovers, Larvotto Beach. The beach is a man-made but really beautiful with crystal clear waters. It's a public beach, free to visit, and also has some changing cabins and shower areas. There are some really nice beach cafes around for snacks and drinks to chill around. And that's what we are going to do after all that walking and more to come. Now we are climbing up to the Prince Palace, the official residence of the prince. The palace has been the residence of the Grimaldi family since 1297, more than 700 years. And if you are interested, you can visit the state apartment inside for a small fee to get some royal history. But from the palace, walk few steps to Monaco's local spot, a panoramic view over the Fontvieille, the newer part of the Monaco built on the reclaimed land. It's colorful, it's neat and packed with marinas and gardens. Gives you a classic Monaco postcard view. And as you follow along the path of the Jardin Exotique, you will see some more panoramic viewpoints. That will lead you to the Cathedral de Monaco. This white limestone cathedral is more than 150 years old, and it's the resting place of the Prince Rainer III and Princess Grace. You can visit it for free. And in the search of the best panoramic view of the Monaco, we came across this frame, from which if you go a little ahead and if you take the stairs on the small towers, there you have it. That's it for this first video of the French Riviera, and in the next videos we will explore more amazing places in this region, including Nice, Menton and more. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and see you soon.